English Learning Podcast.
Learn English, clear, easy, and fast.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I am Jack.
And I am Sarah. Today, we have a very special speaking practice for you. We are going to learn small talk.
Small talk is a short, friendly conversation. You use it with neighbors, coworkers, and people in stores. Today, you are in control of the practice.
Here is the simple rule. Jack will read a sentence slowly. You press the pause button on your screen. You repeat the sentence out loud. Then you press play again.
Listen, pause, speak, and play. We have 10 different real-life situations today. Let us begin right now.
Situation number 1. You see your neighbor in the morning. You want to be polite and friendly. What do you say, Jack?
Listen to these sentences. Pause the video and repeat after me. Good morning to you. It is a beautiful day today. How are you doing this morning? I hope you are having a good day. The weather is very nice today. Did you have a good weekend? How is your family doing? Your garden looks very beautiful this year. I love your dog. He is very cute. It is very nice to see you. I am going to work now. I hope you have a great day. Take care of yourself. I will see you later.
Situation number 2. You are waiting in a very long line at the bank or standing in an elevator. It is quiet and boring. What do we say?
We usually talk about the wait time or the weather outside. Pause and repeat. This line is very long today. It is very busy in here. I think everyone is doing their shopping today. The elevator is very slow today. I hope the bus comes soon. It is very hot outside today. It looks like it is going to rain. Do you have an umbrella with you? I love this cool weather. Can you believe this heavy wind? At least the sun is shining today. Stay warm out there. I cannot wait to go home. Have a good rest of your day.
Situation number 3. You arrive at the office on a normal morning. You see your coworker in the kitchen. What are the best sentences to use?
You want to be professional but warm. Try these simple sentences. Pause and repeat. Good morning. How are you? How was your drive to work today? The traffic was very bad this morning. I really needed this cup of hot coffee. How is your day going so far? Are you very busy today? I have a lot of emails to read. My schedule is full of meetings today. Did you watch the sports game last night? I heard the news this morning. Good luck with your work today. Let us get some lunch together later. I will see you around the office.
Situation number 4. It is Monday morning at the office. Everyone is tired. How do you ask your coworkers about their weekend?
Monday small talk is all about the weekend. Pause and repeat out loud. Good morning. How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun this weekend? Did you go anywhere special? I just stayed home and rested. I watched a lot of movies on Sunday. I spent time with my family. The weekend was too short. I wish it was still Sunday. I am very tired this morning. I need a lot of coffee today. Well, back to work. Let us have a good week.
Situation number 5. It is Friday afternoon at the office. Everyone is happy to go home. What do we say before the weekend?
Friday small talk is always happy and positive. Pause and repeat. Happy Friday to you. Are you glad it is finally Friday? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Are you doing anything special this weekend? I am just going to relax at home. I am going to a nice restaurant with my family. I really need to catch up on my sleep. I hope the weather is nice this weekend. Enjoy your time off. Have a wonderful weekend. Rest well and have fun. See you on Monday morning.
Situation number 6. You are at a party or a dinner. You sit next to a stranger. How do you start talking to someone new?
Introduce yourself and ask simple questions about their life. Pause and repeat. Hello, my name is Jack. It is very nice to meet you. How do you know the host of the party? This is a really nice place. Do you live in this city? Where are you from originally? What kind of work do you do? Do you like your job? What do you like to do for fun? Do you play any sports? I really enjoy reading books. The music here is very good. Have you tried the food yet? The cake is actually very delicious. It is great talking to you.
Situation number 8. Giving a compliment. Saying something nice about a person makes them smile and opens the conversation. What can we say?
Compliments are perfect for American small talk. Pause the video and repeat. I really like your shirt. That is a beautiful jacket you are wearing. Where did you buy your shoes? I love the color of your dress. Your glasses are very cool. You look great today. Your house is very beautiful. I love your living room. This food is incredibly delicious. You are a very good cook. Thank you for making this food for us. You did a great job today.
Situation number 9. You are at a coffee shop or a supermarket. You want to make small talk with the cashier. What do you say?
Cashiers talk to hundreds of people. A friendly sentence is always nice. Pause and repeat. Hello, how are you doing today? Did you have a busy day here? The store is very clean today. Yes, I found everything I needed. No thank you, I do not need a plastic bag. I brought my own bag today. Can I pay with my credit card? Do you accept cash? Thank you for your help. I really appreciate your hard work. Have a wonderful day. You too. Take care.
Situation number 10. You are at the park or at the gym. You see someone relaxing or exercising. How do you make friendly conversation?
Talk about health, free time, or the environment. Pause and repeat. This is a very nice park. Do you come here often? It's a great day for a walk. I am trying to exercise more often. Running is very good for your health. I like to walk here in the evening. It is very peaceful and quiet here. Your dog is very playful. What kind of dog is that? I'm just getting some fresh air. Enjoy your workout. Have a good run.
Situation number 10. The final situation. You are talking to someone, but you need to leave. How do you end the conversation politely?
You want to leave softly so the other person feels respected. Use these sentences. Pause and repeat. Well, it was really nice talking to you. I'm so glad we ran into each other today. I should probably get back to my work. I have a meeting in exactly 5 minutes. My friends are waiting for me outside. I need to go find my family now. I don't want to keep you busy. Let's talk again soon. Give my best to your family. Drive safely on your way home. Have a great rest of your day. It was great seeing you. Take care of yourself. Goodbye for now.
You did an amazing job today. You just practiced over 130 useful sentences for American small talk.
If you practice these sentences, you will never feel shy again. You will sound friendly, natural, and very polite.
Remember, nobody speaks perfectly all the time. The goal is to connect with people and share a friendly smile.
Please save this video. Listen to it again tomorrow. Pause the video and repeat the sentences out loud to build your confidence.
Before you go, please write a comment below. Tell us, do you like making small talk or do you prefer to stay quiet? We love reading your answers.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real English practice.
Thank you for your hard work today. Have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening.
Goodbye, my friends. See you next time.